Hey guys, so since it is Bakri Eid season already and you must be thinking what to do with all the mutton that is left over in your freezer, so not to worry anymore because we are going to make this Nawabi Mutton Curry together. So I've already mentioned the ingredients on your screen before. Now for the vegetables you need 2 onions. First and foremost, chop them off and fry them till they are golden brown. Now turn on the burner. Add some ghee to your pan. The special thing about this recipe is that it needs ghee instead of oil. Now let it cook. Then add your khade garam masale along with your meat. Till the time the mutton is cooking, we are going to make the paste that we are going to put. Now for the paste, you'll need all of these ingredients. I'll mention them in the description below. This is how your mixture is supposed to look. Now when your chicken is a little whitish, put the mixture that you have made along with some salt and your onions. Add some water. Put on the lid and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now you will see this texture to your chicken. Mutton. See, this is how easy it was to make this delicious mutton. Thank you.